All right. I don't know why I'm walking down this street past Contai. And plus, I ain't know there was a corner store right there. They probably closed that corner store down. Huh. All right. This is my first time walking in this area. Never been around here before. Yes, indeed. Okay. So, y'all think about it, folks. There's a church right there. Need a better camera doing this. You know? So, anyway, I'm about to walk down the street. The ghetto is way down there. Contai on that side is bad, you know. So, y'all are grand tours, everything. All right. And some of these buses doing detours and stuff like that due to the destruction of things, you know. I don't know what field this is. All right. Thinking about Nala throughout the times, hoping she's still single again, you know. I guess she's single again back on the prowl. But guess what? It ain't perfect, and I know it ain't perfect. Huh. Right? We ain't gonna run out of space on this one, you know. All right. So down the canal I go. All right.